Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make Kakro. It's a Ghanaian dish or it's also known as plantain fritters. It's very delicious, so I'll just get right into it. So what we're going to be needing are 3 plantains. Okay. I'm going to be using onion powder. You could use real onions if you want. Also, I'm using fresh ginger. 3 focus, but 3 cloves, and then oh come on, alright, and a chili pepper. I'm also gonna add a dash of cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, and then those are the only ingredients you'll be using, okay? In my NutriBullet, I have the fresh ginger, the pepper, and the 3 cloves. I'm just gonna blend it in the NutriBullet. You can actually grind it up by hand if you want to, but I'm just gonna do the easier route. So this is how it looks. Alright, so now I'm gonna be cutting the plantains into the asanka, also known as the mortar, and then grinding up with the pesto. So with a Kakro, you don't want to blend it up. You want to actually just grind it instead of using a blender, because you don't want the very smooth consistency. Because a Kakro traditionally has more of a rough edge, so that's why you usually just grind it up. So now I'm just gonna mash up the plantains. Alright, so the plantains are all mashed up, and I actually forgot to mention 2 other ingredients that we'll need, and they are flour and then also baking soda. If you're using self-rising flour, you don't need to add the baking soda, but I'm gonna just add about half a teaspoon baking soda in here because I don't have self-rising flour. Alright, I'm just gonna Alright. We're now just gonna add our spice mixture of the ginger, the hot pepper, and the cloves. Alright, so just gonna mix it all in there. gonna add the salt, about, let's say, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Alright. I'm also going to add about half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then just a tad bit of cayenne pepper. This might be really too spicy, but you can admit it. Alright. That is perfecto. So just mix all that in. And I'm now going to add the flour. Put in a little bit at a time. Alright, so in a frying pan, heat up some oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And then once it's hot, using a spoon, we're just gonna scoop some plantains and then just drop into the oil.